Hello, this is Megan from Animax, and today I would like to show you how easy it is to generate videos and music using our platform. Are you ready? Let's get started. Background music for your videos can be created in two ways. The first option is by clicking on the note symbol in the menu. Here you can choose the file format and duration, and enter your prompt manually or with help from an AI assistant. Another option is to use the AI editing chat window where you can directly enter your prompt. You can be as specific or as vague as you like. Our smart system will adapt your prompt to generate a track that fits your project's settings and style. Once you're happy with your prompt, simply click the Send button to generate the track. It may take up to a minute for our servers to process your request. Let's check out the results. Now let's add a video to our music track. Click the reel icon in the menu to open the modal. Here you can choose the model, resolution, aspect ratio, and enter your prompt. In this example, we want to generate a video of a young woman jogging in the park. For the best results, write a detailed prompt, but focus on describing one scene at a time rather than cramming in too many actions or ideas. Once generated, you can preview the result and add it directly to your composition. You'll also find it available for download later in your file library. And here it is, the final result. Your newly generated video with background music. And that's just the beginning. In Animax, you can add text, transitions, effects, and more to create the exact outcome you're looking for. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us on social media and check out our blog at Animax.AI.